In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to refine your project management skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly track important project milestones. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. This might seem obvious, but it's the essential starting point before we dive into the specifics. Once you're in, head over to the board where you want to track your milestone. If you have multiple boards, make sure to choose the correct one, as this is where we'll be setting up your milestone visualizations. Once you're on the right board, you'll want to locate and click on the Add View button. Placing your milestones on a timeline or Gantt view is crucial, as these views are designed to accommodate key project dates and deadlines effectively. They provide a visual representation that's easy to understand at a glance, which can be particularly beneficial for team collaboration and communication. After adding the view, the next step is to click on Add Item and input the name of your milestone. This step is quite straightforward, but do take a moment to consider the naming convention. Choosing a clear and concise name will help your team members understand the milestone's significance quickly. Following this, you'll want to add a date or timeline column. This step is essential as it allows you to specify the time aspect of your milestone. You can customize the column to suit your project's needs, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your workflow. The next step involves setting the date for your milestone. Click on the task or item's timeline. Here, typically, you have the option to select a date range. However, since a milestone represents a single point in time, you'll want to choose a single date instead of a range. This selection is crucial for accurately representing the milestone in your project timeline. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a milestone to your board in Monday.com. Remember to regularly check and update your milestones as your project progresses. This can help keep your team on track and ensure everyone is aligned with the project goals and timelines. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your project management process just a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more project management tips and tutorials.